Hey, my name is Anit Kumar. Have you ever wanted to draw a tree that looks natural and realistic but did not know where to start? Don't worry, I have got you. Today I teach you how to draw a beautiful detailed tree using just a pencil. And remember, drawing is all about process, not perfection. So, grab your sketchbook and let's enjoy process. Start with a branches outward, keeping them uneven for a natural look. Keep your strokes light. This is just a guide. Nature is never perfect, so don't stress over making the tree symmetrical. Let's your work, your lines flow naturally. Shading is what brings your tree to life. Take your time and observe how light and shadow work in real tree. A tree starts as a teeny seed, buried in a darkness. It does not grow overnight. It takes patience, water, sunlight, and cares. Just like a tree, your dream, your skills, and your success need time to grow. Every failure, every struggle, and every challenge is like the soil and rain that makes you stronger. And the strongest tree have the deepest root. No matter how high they grow, they stay connected to their foundation. In life, always stay rooted in your values, your beliefs, and your purpose. But never stop reach for knowledge, for new experiences, for the growth. So, be like a tree, stand strong, keep growing. just created a realistic pencil tree. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comments for more drawing tutorials. If you try this sketch, tag me on Instagram @Anit Kushwaha so I can see your amazing work. Keep creating and I will see you in the next video. Happy sketching.